Have you ever duplicated an object? Then when you go to make the new object look different, find out that it's changed both your original and your new object? Don't worry, there is a simple fix for this. After you duplicate your object, simply go into your new object, and when you start to edit with Pascal, on the top left, change overwrite to new. And now when you save, it does not affect your original object. And you can see here, we have both objects and they both have different looks. Simple as that. As always, I've been Winstreak. And if you want to bump into more of my tutorials, make sure you like and follow. Peace.